Alright, picture this. You're deep in the heart of Costa Rica's jungle, but not as yourself. Nope, you're made of clay. Everything squishes, jiggles, and moves in that charming, slightly goofy claymation way. But the creatures you're about to meet? Oh, they're very real. Well, in the wild at least. And trust me, they're even stranger than fiction. First up, let me introduce you to the glass frog. This little guy looks like someone left their biology project unfinished. Its belly is completely see-through. You can actually spot its heartbeat and tiny organs, all pulsing like a little clay motor inside. And if that's not wild enough, these frogs cling to leaves all night, guarding their squishy, jelly-like eggs from hungry wasps. Nature's own see-through superhero. But wait, shuffle over to the forest floor and meet the bullet ant. Don't be fooled by its cartoonish clay jaws. Its sting is so powerful, locals say it feels like getting shot, hence the name. Imagine a claymation ant doing a little victory dance after giving you the world's most painful high five. It sounds funny, but I'll pass, thanks. Now let's swing up into the trees to find the silky anteater. This cutie is about the size of your hand, with golden fur that glows under the jungle sun, almost like it's dusted with glitter. In claymation form, it'd be the fluffiest, most squeezable little creature. By night, it curls into a perfect ball to nap, just like you might after a long day of exploring. Next, we stumble upon the Jesus Christ lizard. Why that name? Well, this reptile can actually run on water. No, really. With big clay feet slapping the surface, it dashes across rivers to escape danger. Imagine that in stop motion, a tiny green blur skipping across a clay puddle. It's equal parts miracle and cartoon chase scene. And finally, because no jungle adventure is complete without a twist, say hello to the eyelash viper. Bright yellow, coiled on a branch with scales that look like they're sculpted from Play-Doh spaghetti. Those eyelashes? They're spiky scales above its eyes, giving it a fierce, almost flirty look. Just don't get too close. This snake's bite is no joke. So next time you picture Costa Rica's jungle, don't just think of parrots and monkeys. Imagine a whole world of bizarre, brilliant creatures, each one ready for their close-up in living, squishy clay. And who knows, maybe you'll start to notice the wild side of nature in your own backyard. Thanks for joining me on this claymation safari. Stay curious and keep exploring.